Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio, your favorite Nigerian American on YouTube. I hope that you guys are doing fantastic. So, I know it's been a while, we've dropped an update on Green Paradise. So today is another quick update for you. We have been working endlessly trying to meet our deadline. So really the focus has just been primarily like on the houses. So like trying to sort all of the different stuff that we're doing. So like we have like 3 houses that we're working on concurrently at the same time, and then we have a few that we are building up. But last time I think you guys only saw us putting in the decking for the first house, but now that first house has walling up on the first floor, second level. And then the second house, we were just at the foundation level. So now we have all the framing work done for the first level, and we're kind of doing a frame structure type setup initially. Then the bungalow as well is also fully walled. So we're just kind of working on some last minute details to do that. But now that all of those are established or getting set up and all of that stuff, we are shifting focus now back to infrastructure. So what that means is like now we're working on putting in the solar panel, the solar farm together, because remember this is like an off-grid community. So we're building like a whole solar farm, solar grid. That payloader is working on clearing that path now. And we got some securities in place because we are now at the point where we're bringing up a lot of stuff. So we have armed guards, forest guards, all those guys are working. We are also simultaneously trying to fix our bulldozer at the same time. So anyway, that's all that's going on site. And then we're also working on, you know, I've been showing you guys the excavation and everything like that, but now we're actually working on putting in blocks to fence off the community. So everything is just moving simultaneously, concurrently, everywhere. But today, I'm getting these guys to kind of level out the area where the solar farm is gonna be. So, and then I'll do a detailed walkthrough of some of those other plots for you guys. Just to show you guys updates of some of the walling of the buildings that we have. Right now, we are even like simultaneously shifting focus on the infrastructure building part while we are walling up the building. So we're simultaneously doing both, but let's go check out. So last time it was here, we had no walling, we just had the foundation, but now the walls are coming up. Let's go do a quick tour. Yeah. Small transitional area. Living room area right here. Leads to the dining area. Leads to the kitchen. I see like a pantry, small pantry here. A guest room here. Toilet over there. I'm seeing the spaces kind of come together a bit. Oh, this is the backyard. Man, we need to do a lot of mowing and cleaning here. But yeah, this is the kitchen. I'm like putting the spaces together. They haven't fully finished up this year, but this is a room for sure. I can tell this is a bigger room. This is the shower, toilet, restroom area, bathroom area. All right. Another room here. So this is a 3-bedroom. So yeah, they're still finishing up the walling. I just wanted to show you guys just the general like work in progress updates. Now, let's go check out the other one where they started walling the top floor. All right, guys, as promised, we still have a lot of work going on now, but I'll just give you guys a brief preview of this building that's going up, just to see the progress so far. So what they're doing is they're getting ready for decking to cast the upper floor of this building. So let's go on the other side, just to show you guys the walling of the other side. So right now, all you see is a whole bunch of bamboos. But essentially, we are building the frame out first and we will now fill it out with blocks. But this is what's holding the house essentially. Let's go check out this one. I know you guys have not seen this yet. You've just been seeing empty space. So here it is. So obviously there's stair railings here. This is the upstairs lounge here. Cool. Ah, a small little library or mechanical room here. Another room. Hold on. This is the master bedroom. This one is big. Trying to remember the layout. Master bedroom here. Walk-in closet here. Show. It's a walk-in closet here. And then big bathroom over there. Can just do a quick preview. All right. So this gets to the balcony here. This is the balcony. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick preview of the walling. Sometimes I have to go back through the architectural drawing to like make sense of which space is where and how everything connects. Anyway, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys a quick general tour of the work in progress. I'll come and update you guys later and give you guys a room by room tour, maybe like in the upcoming videos. All right, so another thing that we have going on here, which is internet communication, very, very important. So what we decided to do is like, you know what, let's just go big or go home. So we went with the first trillionaire's company, Starlink. So we're going with Starlink. My friend from Germany, Mr. Kola, is there helping us set it up. So we're setting up like a small panel over there, and we also have a prototype of the street lights that we're going to do. So we wanted something that would be in the median that can now put lighting on both sides. So you guys can see water, security, internet, road, drainage, houses, electricity, which hopefully sooner, maybe like next week, you guys will see the full solar farm. All right, guys, that concludes the behind the scene tour of the progress of Green Paradise. I'm showing you guys the dirty, nitty gritty, the non-pretty, beautiful parts of building a small micro city in Nigeria. So yeah, this is the process. So I'm showing you guys full transparency, down dirty, the process, everything. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. By the way, if you guys would like to key in, the prices are still low now. Just know that for every time we add value to the community, the prices are going to keep going up. So we still have plenty of spaces for bungalows or duplexes if you're interested. If you're interested, reach out to us, and we have some special deals going on. So reach out to us. We have 3-bedroom bungalows, 2-bedroom bungalows, and also duplexes like this one's going up. And by the way, we introduced something new, not to the public, but just to my inner circle, which is this idea of fractional ownership. So maybe you don't have the money to purchase a full house. You can go half and half with someone, or you can get like 25% or 30% of the value of the house. And then we will build the house for you. And then any income that we make, you'll be getting your percentage based on ownership. And then you can always decide to increase your ownership later. So if you're interested in that, definitely reach out to us. We would love, love, love to have you be a part of our community. Green Paradise is really, now that we have the security guys hanging out here, we're casting out the road, we have fencing. to me, it's feeling like a community that I can live in now. Like it's feeling like it. I can just, it's just feeling more like a community because you have houses here, we have people everywhere, we're setting out the road, we have armed security, we're familiar with the neighborhood. It's just feeling more and more like home. So I like it. Anyway, if you guys are interested, please visit thegreenparadise.com, reach out to us, email us, text us, WhatsApp us, and we'd love to have you join our community. We also have some lands for sale in the other phases, but this phases is mainly for buildings only. Either way, come and join us. And lastly, guys, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.